So guys, from the 11th of November 2025, there's new changes coming in, especially to applications under a private life and family routes, which involves when your children have been here for 7 years and you apply whether legally or illegally, or you've got a British partner or you have a child from a British partner. The rules are that the part suitability of the immigration rules have been changed to reflect new things which they can consider into your character and whether you're suitable for the visa, including overstaying, previous breaches of rules, whether you've used deception before, method of entry, obviously, and whether you've been banned before, whether you've, like I said, been breaching your working hours before, whether you've had your visa curtailed before or cancelled before. So these have come in, and these have come in straight away, regardless of when you've applied. So even if your application has been made before 11th of November, these rules can still be used. Now, it's important to note that they're discretionary, so it's up to the officer whether they want to refuse you or not. But it's very important now that you get your case drawn up and prepared by someone who's fully conversant with the rules, somebody who's studied the law, somebody who keeps up to date with the law and up to date with these rules, and someone who's qualified. Also, you need to be ready that if your case gets refused, then you need to lodge an appeal, which could be a lengthy process, it could be a costly process, but your appeal is your one chance to make sure that you win your case, even after it's been refused. So it might be worth, well, it is worth the investment if everything hangs on it. So you should make sure you have a good solicitor, a well-recognized solicitor who's got a lot of experience, and a good barrister to represent you at the hearing, or if your solicitor's going to represent you at the hearing, that they've represented people at hearings before. So a lot of people don't have permission to go to court to represent people at hearings, or they don't have permission to go to further courts. Be careful of those. So make sure your application is properly drafted. It's not just a case of filling out a form and I'm going to get a visa. If it was that simple, then everyone would be doing it. So be very, very careful. These rules have kicked in. Make sure your applications are completed properly. And if they are, you can still get the visa. And even if they're refused, you can win in an appeal. But preparation is key. And make sure that you don't fall afoul of these rules. There's going to be a lot more refusals coming in the future.